Hey, Edgar from Funneltopia here. A quick couple of updates related to reports, more specifically appointment reports. Over here, if you go to reports, appointment reports, there's going to be a few things that you might notice that have changed. First of all, it's a big one is over 80% improvement in API response times, which means basically that the information here will load faster on this page, right? And also, new bar charts showing up here. Let's zoom out a little bit. Over here, you can see 4 new ones. It just kind of auto-populates top 5 most booked calendars, top 5 appointment owners, and most popular days when they were booked, and also top 5 calendars with cancellations, right? So you can find them all here. You basically just have more information on your appointments, on your calendar bookings, and you can kind of make adjustments based on the information because the numbers don't lie. So definitely go check it out. It's more comprehensive. As I said before, it's under reports, appointment report. If you have any questions about this, about the reports, or anything else Funneltopia related, click on down below, 24/7 chat support. Let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. But if you don't have any questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.